Hello everyone, and welcome to Onestop Academy English. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Write your own sentences or ask questions in the comments below. I'd love to help. Today, we will learn how to use English when you are out shopping or eating. We will make everything simple and easy to understand. You will hear and learn real phrases that you can use every day. We will cover everything from the first hello in a shop to paying the bill after a nice meal. Let's start with shopping. Imagine you walk into a clothing store. What do you say if a worker comes to help you? What if you need help to find your size? We will learn important questions like, "Can I help you?" and simple answers like, "I'm just looking, thanks." We will also learn how to ask about prices, colors, and sizes. Alright, let's imagine the scene. You just walked into a nice store. The first person you see is a shop assistant or salesperson. They are there to help you. It is normal for them to smile and say a friendly question. The most common phrase you will hear is,
"Can I help you?" Or sometimes, "May I help you?"
They might also say something like,
"Are you looking for anything in particular?"
Now let's say you do need help. Perhaps you're looking for a gift for a friend, or you saw a nice blue shirt in the window and you want to find it inside the store. You can respond directly and clearly by saying,
"Yes, please."
After that, you can say what you need, for example.
"Yes, please, I'm looking for a new pair of jeans." Or, "Yes, please, do you have any warm sweaters?"
Let's look at a simple dialogue. Imagine you are in a shoe store. The shop assistant comes to you with a welcoming smile. The assistant might say,
"Hello there. Can I help you find anything today?"
You could say,
"Yes, please, I'm looking for some comfortable running shoes."
sometimes when you go into a store, you don't have a specific item in mind. You just want to walk around, see what's new, and maybe get some ideas. This is called browsing or window shopping. In this situation, when a shop assistant approaches you and asks,
"Can I help you?"
you can say,
"No thank you, I'm just looking."
it's friendly, clear, and everyone understands it. You go into an electronics store, you want to ask about new cameras, but you don't want to buy today.
"Hello, can I help you?"
"Hi, I'm just looking, I want to see the new cameras."
"Sure, we have many new models. What kind of camera do you like?"
"I'm not sure, I just want to look for now. I'm not buying today."
"No problem. Take your time. Let me know if you have questions."
"Thank you!"
Okay, you see something you really like. Maybe it's a nice jacket or a small gift. Now you want to ask, how much is it? Sometimes you can see the price on a small paper. It is called a price tag. But sometimes there is no price tag. You can ask, how much is it, to know the price. The best and easiest question is, how much is it? It is a simple question. Every English speaker understands it. Let's imagine a situation. You are in a bookstore. You see a book that looks very interesting, but you can't find the price on the back of the book. You can take the book to a worker in the store. Then you can ask, "Excuse me, how much is this book?" The worker may look at the book, scan it, and say, "This book is $16.99. If you want to ask about more than one thing, you can say, "How much are these?" We use this for 2 or more items. You found something you really like, and the price is good. Great. But now, you want to make sure it's perfect for you. If it's clothes, you need to check the right size and your favorite color. Let's talk about size. You see a shirt in the store, but it looks too small or too big. You can ask the worker for a different size. Say, "Do you have this in a larger size?" Or, "Do you have this in a smaller size?" What if you know your size? That's even easier. You can ask for the size you want. For example, "Do you have this in a medium?" Or, "I'm looking for this in size 10. Now let's talk about color. Maybe you like the style of the dress, but you don't like the green color. You can ask the worker if they have other colors. Say, "Do you have this in another color?" The best way to ask is, "Does this come in other colors?" Or, "Do you have this in blue?" The worker can then show you the other colors for that item. Imagine, you have a pair of gray pants, you go to a worker, you say, "Excuse me, I like these pants, but I want a smaller size." While the worker looks, you say, "Do you have these pants in black?"
Excuse me, I like these pants, but I want a smaller size.
Worker, let me check. One moment, please.
Thank you. Do you have these pants in black?
Worker, yes, we have black. I will get them for you. Thank you.
Let's take a short break from shopping phrases to learn some grammar. This will help your English sound better. We will talk about countable and uncountable nouns. A countable noun is something you can count one by one. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Other examples, books, chairs, shoes, dollars. An uncountable noun is something you cannot count one by one. For example, water, milk, sugar, rice. You don't say 1 water or 2 sugars. You use a measure word like a bottle of water or a spoon of sugar. Why is this important for shopping? Because it changes the question you ask. For countable things, ask, "How many?" Example, "How many oranges would you like?" Now we will learn words to talk about how much or how many things there are. First, some and any. Use some in positive sentences. Example, "I need some bread." "I want some apples." Use any in questions and negative sentences. Example questions. Do you have any fresh milk? Do you have any chocolate chip cookies? Next, a few and a lot of. Use a few for a small number of things you can count. Example, I bought a few things. A shirt and some socks. Use a lot of for a large amount. You can use it with things you can count or cannot count. Examples, they have a lot of different cheeses. There were a lot of people in the store. To remember, some equal sign positive sentences. Any equal sign questions and negatives. A few equal sign small number, countable things. A lot of equal sign large amount, countable or uncountable things. Practice these, and your English will sound great. Now let's learn how to order food in a restaurant or cafe. This uses many things you already know. When you enter a restaurant, a person called a host or hostess will greet you. They ask, "How many people?" or "A table for how many?" You answer with the number, for example, "A table for 2, please," or just 2, please. They will take you to your table and give you menus. After a few minutes, a waiter or waitress will come. They ask, "Are you ready to order?" Or, "Can I get you something to drink?" This is a good time to order drinks. You can say, "Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please." Or, "Could I have orange juice?" If you need more time, say, "We need a few more minutes, please." When you are ready to order food, the waiter will come again. Start with polite phrases like, "I'd like," or "I'll have." For example, "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please." Or, "I'll have the spaghetti bolognese." If you have questions, ask. You can say, "What comes with the steak?" or "Is the soup spicy?" The waiter is happy to help. At the end, when you finish eating, ask for the bill or check. Get the waiter's attention and say, "Excuse me, could we have the check, please?" With these phrases, ordering food is easy. Practice this dialogue and you will order with confidence. Now you know many useful English phrases. We talked about saying hello in a shop, asking for help or just looking, asking, "How much is it?" asking for sizes and colors, grammar about countable and uncountable nouns, using some, any, a few, and a lot of ordering food in a restaurant. The next step is to practice. Try to use these phrases in real life. Go to a shop and ask a question in English. Go to a cafe and order your drink in English. You have the tools and the skills. You can do it. If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also become a member to get more helpful lessons.